Hello, kids. Today we are going to learn about different feelings and expressions. Are you ready? Let's start. I am happy. Big smile, shining eyes, and clapping hands. I am sad. Head down, watery eyes, and feeling like crying. I am angry. Face red, eyebrows down, and fists tight. I am tired. Eyes closing, body slow, and wanting to sleep. I am bored. Nothing to do, plain face, and saying, I am scared. Eyes open wide, stepping back, and saying, I am in love. Heart beating fast. Eyes full of stars, and saying, wow. I am confused. Eyebrows up, head tilted, and saying, what's this? I am surprised. Mouth open wide, eyes big, and saying, oh. I am excited, jumping up and down, big smile, and clapping hands. Great job, kids! Now you know how to show your feelings with expressions. Remember, every face tells a story. Keep practicing, and see you next time.